Hello, welcome back. This is the one I wanted to get to and I couldn't find it. Anyway, we were out of time. This is a kind of a tricky one and it's good practice because these are some kind of techniques that you just get used to trying. So let's do some scratch work. So what do we know? We know x is less than y. And we want to show x squared is less than y squared. Now, it I just looked at this and played around with this expression here. Um, this is the smaller number, right? X squared is smaller. So if this is true, then y squared minus x squared is greater than 0. Do you agree with that? X squared is the smaller number. And they're both positive. So if you subtract a smaller number from a positive number, it's going to be positive. And then you realize this thing factors, doesn't it? So this is how I got started. And let's see if I can remember what I said to myself. Okay, and then we'll write it up. X is less than y. We know y minus x is greater than 0. Do you agree? They're both positive real numbers. X is bigger than y. Their difference is going to be greater than 0. And certainly x plus y is greater than 0. And what happens when you multiply two positive numbers together? That's going to be greater than 0. Now, you could have done it another way with using all less than 0, but I tried to keep everything positive. So let's see if we can write this up and I can make it make sense for you along the way. So proof. So suppose x, y, and I'm going to do this because I just got lazy. That's positive real numbers. And suppose x is less than y. Since x is less than y, we know y minus x is greater than 0. Also, since x and y are positive, x plus, whoops, I don't want to do that way, y plus x is greater than 0. Now, y minus x times y plus x is the product of two positive real numbers. Thus, y minus x times y plus x, which equals y squared minus x squared, is greater than 0. So we have y squared greater than x squared. Or what do I want to say? In other words, maybe I'll say that. Put a period there. Or therefore, x squared is less than y squared as desired. So let's go back and make sure we agree with all this. We said x is the small one, right? But that's given. So take a positive real number, subtract a smaller positive real number, that's positive. And if you add two positive real numbers, that's positive. And you multiply two positive real numbers, that's positive. And it happens to equal exactly what we want to give us this, which is simply our inequality rearranged. Ta-da! So it's good to look at these things afterwards and try to prove them on your own, like the next day, because you don't have it memorized or anything. Just see if you can go through the process, and it's just good practice. All right, we're ready to start chapter 5, which is not very different from chapter 4. We're going to be using proofs by contrapositive. So till then, bye for now.